fuck is up? It's your boy Scully, and we're bringing you a new moto vlog. You already know what it is. But we're about to first get the fuck out the house, because we've been in the house all motherfucking day. And I want to bring some headphones with me. I'm not quite sure.
Open the door.
Okay, let me go first. Move out my way.
I mean, there's only so much room. Stupid.
The reason why he's like that so we can see him. You gotta make sure he's breathing. I don't use no mirrors. I'm not using none of that shit. Cause I don't give a fuck about that.
And we
shit.
just have PTSD. Like a lot of people don't know what we've been through.
Yeah, you don't know what the fuck I go through. That's why he thinks like this. From the streets. Okay, I need the dollar.
Oh. Sorry, guys.
I'm ready to go grab the dolly because we have a job, green lights all day. Gina's still sleeping.
And I pity any girl who isn't me today. La 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 la. I feel charming, oh so charming. It's alarming how charming I feel. Move your ass, dipshit!
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life. Cast out like a shadow, racing towards the light. I pray to see you one more time. Stand by, watch me fall apart.
Hey y'all, so today I was trying to learn how to ride a dirt bike. Got the knee pads on.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
About to load up the bike.
It's good, bruh.
Alright, it's really dark right now. It is 9:21 p.m. We're gonna pick up baby. We just got done riding. You're fucking ugly.
Bike life.
Be right here, yep, all day, every
No,
day.
it's just fun life, nigga. The goddamn
Bap, bap.
fun life. Big God mode.
Big.
My punk ass cousin. Little brother.
What have we done to the world? Look what we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son?
Ow! Yeah, we're on the bank.
What you gonna do, Shaky?
I'm not saying that.
What?
She said a curse word in my ear.
He said I'm a good boy.
Did not ride my bike.
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch.
Shaky, what you need help for? Lay it down. There, see, if you put it on the paddle like that, it'll stay up for you. Look, look, look. But you just have to push these at the same time, but you can't because your fingers are too small.
Can you give it the pressure? We're gonna hit him in the spine. Hey.
Yeah. Go before it dies. Yeah. No, it's not dead. Go. Wait, hold on. Yeah, try. Why are you trying to get me on here and go fast? Please, take it easy. No, no, no.
Hey, come back! Hey,
Fight shit. Nigga talking crazy, acting like we won't spray shit. Hit him from his neck to his chin, that's some crazy shit. Nigga talking crazy, better act like he know shit. Nigga, you don't know shit.
Yeah, it's back on.
Oh, it blacks out.
Yeah, hey. Yeah, okay, hey. I need 6 zeros in my bank account. Hey, run that shit up, Chase. I always wanted a million. Can't stack that to the ceiling. I'm into money, no feelings. Back in the trap, no civilian. I always wanted a million. 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 Can't stack that to the ceiling. I'm into money, no feelings. Back in the trap, no civilians. I always wanted a million. I always wanted a million. I always wanted a million.
Man, where's your teeth? Hey, what you doing, bro? What you doing? What you doing, bro?
That wasn't me, that was him.
Go beat him up. Go beat him up.
Run away! Don't let him get at you like that. The camera. Motherfucking camera. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, that one. Let's go. Moonwalk over here. Let's go. DJ say you dance. Oh, he's on CMOS. On that CMOS, baby. CMOS, baby. Yes, sir.
What up? Is that boy Shaky behind the camera? It's your boy Skelly.
Black life or what?
Let me try.
I'm just trying to get out here, bro. I ain't the best of the best, but you know, I'll be out here with no fear, no scare, you know what I'm saying?
No fear, bro. Ain't no fear in the blood.
Try.
Nah, man. You know this is expensive.
It's not expensive.
It is.
I'm sorry. I'm
You
not
have to
gonna
ask him. It's his.
Can I watch you?
No.
Can I do that?
You can't hold it. You can't hold it. You's a baby. You gotta be a boy.
I'm not a baby.
You's a baby.
I'm a boy. I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy. Come on,
Oh, no, you didn't. No, you didn't. Yeah, liar. Got the big 450. 450, 50, 50, 50, bang, bang. 250, bang, bang, bang. Ooh.